Welcome to Let Us Start Educational Channel. This channel is for teaching IIT Physics Foundation classes from all CBSE state students and AP and Telangana students studying class 6 to class 9. This is 4 years foundation course. In this course, we will learn fundamental concepts of IIT or JEE physics. If we learn these fundamentals in these 4 years, we will crack any examination, any MCET or any IIT examination. So, anyone have interest to learn new things? Comment me. In our last class, we discussed that there are 7 fundamental quantities. What are they? Mass, length, time, temperature, luminous intensity, electric current, amount of substance. Why we call these 7 physical quantities as fundamental quantities? Behind this one reason is there. What is that reason? Let us see. Suppose what is the unit of length? Meter. What is the unit of area? Area means length into breadth. Unit of this is meter square. It is the unit of volume. Volume means length into breadth into height. That means meter cube. That is the unit of density. Density is mass by volume. It is the unit of mass. Standard unit of mass is kilograms, kg. G by unit of volume is meter cube. Unit of velocity. Velocity is distance by time. Distance means length. Unit of length is meter. Unit of time is second. Next, force. F is equal to ma. M means mass, kg. A means acceleration, meter per second square. Carefully observe all this. What is the unit of length? Meter. What is the unit of area? Meter square. What is the unit of volume? Meter cube. Density kg per meter cube. Velocity meter per second. Force kg meter per second square. All these fundamental quantities depends on these 7 fundamental quantities. For calculating the unit of any physical quantity, we use any one of these or combination of these 7 physical quantities. So, why we call these 7 are fundamental quantities? With the help of these 7 physical quantities, we can have ability to calculate the unit of any physical quantity. That can be shown as here. So these seven are called as fundamental quantities. In these, most important one is length. Length is the most important physical quantity. Generally, we measure distances. Generally, we measure distances in kilometers, meters and centimeters and millimeters. 1 kilometer is nothing but 100 meters. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is nothing but 10 millimeters. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 1 kilometer is 1 lakh centimeters. Like this, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. That is 1 kilometer is 10 lakhs millimeters. So length is measured in different units like kilometers, meters, centimeters and millimeters. So standard unit of length is meter. One small scale is given here. What is the length of the scale? 16.5 centimeters. So 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. The distance between 0 and 1 is 1 centimeter. Elaboration of this is given here. This 0 and 1 has 10 divisions in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In these, each part represents 1 millimeters. So totally 10 divisions. 10 divisions means 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So here small division beside 0 represents 1 millimeter. So we use different units for measuring length. For calculating your knowledge, for analyzing your knowledge, one simple question is given here. Observe this. Actual distance from a school to hostel is 100 meters. Girl says not 100 meters, 10,000 centimeters. No, not that one. Boy says 1 lakh millimeter. Which one is correct? 100 meters is correct, 10,000 centimeters is correct, or 1 lakh millimeters is correct. Let us reveal this. So options are given here. Let us calculate this. 100 meters. Actual distance is 100 meters. Convert this into kilometers. 0.1 kilometers. So option first one is the correct one. Next one is 100 meters. Convert these 100 meters into centimeters. 100. 1 meter means how many centimeters? 100. So 10,000 centimeter. So option B is also correct one. Next one is 1 lakh 100 meters. Convert this as 100 meters means 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters means 10 millimeters. So the value is 1 lakh millimeters. Option C is also correct. So which one is the option? Yeah, all these options are wrong. Which one is the correct one? The actual distance is 100 centimeters. That is equal to 0.1 kilometer and 10,000 centimeters and 1 lakh millimeters. So the correct answer is all the above. So distance or length is measured in different units. So many units are there to measure length. Here we discuss some important units. So 1 mile is, the value of 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. When we are traveling on a road, on the side of the road we observe milestones. On that milestones, distance between one city to another city is written. That represents the distance of the destination. So that is written in kilometers. Next one is astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. What is meant by astronomy? Astronomical unit. What is this? This is space. In this space, sun is there. So all the planets are revolving around this. Carefully observe this in this. Earth is the third one nearer to the sun. Beside this Earth, another small ball is there. That means that is nothing but moon. Moon revolves around the Earth. This moon is the satellite of the Earth. So the distance between sun and Earth is taken as one astronomical unit. One AU. A for astronomical, U for unit. For calculating largest distances, long distances, the distance between sun and Earth is taken as the reference point. The distance between sun and Earth is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. So 1 AU, 1 astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. Next one is speed of light. Light travels at a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Light travels at a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So the light, whatever it may be, the light coming from the sun, or the light coming from the tube light, or the light coming from any source or any bulb, travels 3 into 10 power 8 meters per 1 second. So speed travels 3 into 10 power 8 meters per 1 second. Next one is light year. This is also unit of the length. Light year. Year means 365 days. In 365 days, light travels distance is named as light year. Calculation for this is given here. So 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. Next one is 1 radian. 1 radian is 57.3 degrees. We can convert this into arc seconds. This is also unit of the length when object is in rotatory motion. Next, 1 parsecond. Generally, we feel that here write as parsecond. We feel this as the unit of time. No, it is not the unit of time. It is the unit of length. Parsecond is the largest unit of length. Parsecond is calculated as 1 astronomical unit by 1 arc second. Calculation of this parsecond is given here. So just remember the value of this. So any other need the calculation for them, I written the process here. So 1 parsecond is 3.26 light years. 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. 1 astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. 1 parsecond is 3.26 light years. In these 1, which is the biggest one? In JEE mains, one question is given in astronomical unit light year parsecond. Which one is the biggest one? Observe this and tell me which one is the biggest one. 1 parsecond, that is 3.26 light years is the biggest one. This is also largest unit of length. What is the largest unit of length? 1 parsecond is the largest unit of length. We can till now we discuss about largest distances. This largest distance is in 10 powers. Now we discuss about smallest distances. The distance is in decimal points. Angstrom units, very small units like wavelength of light, atom and molecular sizes, thickness of the films. These sizes are in decimal points. Light, we know about light. Light has physical property, that is wavelength. Wavelength is nothing but length, but these values are very small and these are in decimal points. 1 angstrom unit is 10 power minus 10 meters or 10 power minus 8 centimeters. Next one is nanometer. Nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meters. We convert this as into angstrom units. So observe this here. Our human eye can detect only a range of 400 to 900 nanometers. మనము సన్ దగ్గర నుంచి వచ్చే లైట్ చూసాం, ఇది వైట్ కలర్ అనమాట. ఈ వైట్ కలర్లో డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ అనేవి ఎంబెడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. ఆ కలర్స్కి ఒక్కొక్క దానికి ఒక్కొక్క వేవ్ లెంత్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఆ రేంజ్ వచ్చేసి 400 నుండి 700 మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఆ లైట్స్ మనము చూడగలం. అట్లా కాకుండా మనం ఇప్పుడు టీవీ రిమోట్ని ఆన్ చేసాం, టీవీ రిమోట్ని కానీ ఏసీ రిమోట్ని కానీ ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి లైట్ రే అనేది మనకి కనిపించదు అనమాట, కానీ యాక్టివిటీ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. టీవీ ఆన్ అవ్వడం ఆఫ్ అవ్వడం అనే యాక్టివిటీ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. అంటే అక్కడ పాస్ అయ్యే లైట్ రే యొక్క వేవ్ లెంత్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది, అది మన కంటికి విజిబుల్ కాదనమాట. మనము 400 నుంచి 700 నానోమీటర్స్ వేవ్ లెంత్ ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ లైట్స్ మాత్రమే మనము చూడగలం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఫెర్మి. ఫెర్మి మీన్స్ 10⁻⁻15 meters. This we discuss in nuclear physics. What is nuclear physics? Every object, whatever it may be the object in the universe, is made up of any one of 118 elements. Remember this. Every object in the universe is made up of one of the 118 elements. In this, the carbon element is the most important one. Maximum all the objects in the universe is made up of this carbon hydrogen combination. Carbon is the king of the elements. So every object is made up of atoms and molecules. These atoms have nucleus. This nucleus has protons and neutrons, electrons revolving around this nucleus. So మనం ఒక డస్ట్ పార్టికల్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే దాని యొక్క సైజు చాలా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. మనం 1 millimeter గురించి చిన్న స్కేల్లో డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. 1 millimeter కన్నా డస్ట్ పార్టికల్ యొక్క సైజు చాలా స్మాల్గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఈ న్యూక్లియస్ సైజు కానీ, ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సైజు కానీ, ప్రోటాన్ సైజు ఎలా ఉంటుంది, డెసిమల్ పాయింట్స్లో ఉంటుందన్నమాట. ఇట్లా ఆటమ్స్ గురించి, మాలిక్యూల్ గురించి స్టడీ చేసేటటువంటి ఫిజిక్స్ని మనము న్యూక్లియర్ ఫిజిక్స్ అని చెప్పుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మైక్రాన్. మైక్రాన్ మీన్స్ 10⁻⁻6 meters. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్స్రే యూనిట్. ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్రే యూనిట్ ఈస్ 10⁻⁻13 meters. ఎక్స్రేస్ మనం హాస్పిటల్లో ఎక్స్రేస్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం. ఎక్స్రేస్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్రే ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఈ రేస్ మన బాడీలో పాస్ అయ్యి లోపల బాడీలో ఉన్నటువంటి పార్ట్స్ని స్కాన్ చేసి మనకి విజిబుల్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. వీటి ఈ సైజ్ అనేది చాలా, ఈ రేస్ యొక్క సైజ్ అనేది చాలా తక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి. అవి మన నేకెడ్ ఐకి విజిబుల్ కాదనమాట. దాని వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 10⁻⁻13 meters. Next one is Bohr radius. Value of this is 0.5 into 10⁻⁻10 meters. These we observed in hydrogen atom ground state. So here Fermi is the smallest unit of length, that is 10⁻⁻15 meters. So smallest unit of length is 10⁻⁻15 meters. Largest unit of length is 1 parsecond. So prefixes of these powers is given here. 10⁻- means -1 means deci, 10⁻-2 means centi, 10⁻-3 means milli, 10⁻-6 means micro. Next 10⁻1 means deca, 10 square means hecto, 10 cube means kilo, 10⁻6 means mega, up to the names of 10⁻30 is given here. Just we know up to 10⁻15. Just we keep 10 power minus 1 meters. 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2 centimeters, 10 power minus 3 millimeters. Like this, we can use these prefixes in so many problems. So, till now we discussed that length is the most important physical quantity. It has so many units. It is one of the fundamental physical quantity. Thank you.